So welcome guys to the 402 crew, and we're going for a little bit of a wild ride in this crazy labor of love built Mk 1. We're gonna hop into the car and let's go for a ride. Alright, welcome guys to another episode of the 402 crew, and with us today, we're going to let the driver introduce himself and his car, but this is a labor of love, something close to my heart, because this is the first car for me. This was the first car many years ago, and in my wildest dreams could I never have wished to have something like this. This is amazing, but we'll let the owner take you through the details. So sure. Tell us all about it.
Hi, I'm Daryl. It's my 2-litre 8-valve turbo. Car originally started with a little 1300, went over to a import 2-litre 8-valve motor, just had head and cams on that done on it, and then lockdown came and I had a lot of time on my hand and a little bit of spare cash, so I decided it's time to go turbo again. And yeah, like I say, 2.5 years. I've done everything to this thing. It's a fully forged motor. It's a bit of a hybrid turbo, close to a 30061. Sorrel from 8-valve Performance set up the turbo and that for us. And yeah, she runs on a little bit of go-go juice on high boost, and yeah, still learning the car, but we're getting there.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Sounds amazing. Tell us a bit more about the engine. So you said this is a 2-litre block from what model Golf?
It's from the Millennium Beetle motor.
Right.
Fully forged motor, rods, pistons, everything. We've had everything decked and done correctly on the motor. Yeah, it's just been a labour of love. Try to keep the outside looking pretty stock. And yeah, this is my baby.
This is at mid-vol. We've got some track time, and we're just going to hear what this sounds like and feel it more than anything else. Okay, we're ready when you are. Woo! This is one wild ride. Oh, that is nuts. That is crazy. Wow. Oh, you feel the power come in. The noises, just unbelievable. It's music to my ears. Music to my ears. Daryl, this is one seriously awesome ride.
Thanks.
Love it. What a stunning ride, I mean, driving around feels like normal. I mean, this is a regular city golf for us South Africans, for our overseas fans. This is a Mk1 Golf, very special edition for South Africans. They turned this Mk1 in the 1980s into a budget entry-level VW for the population, South African population, or South African public. But you guys an idea of the Mk1 heritage, the Mk1 roots. Love the little gauges down. So we've got a boost gauge, we've got oil pressure and water temp. It's all important stuff. Just beautiful.